2.7 million trucks are on the German roads. They deliver 3 billion tons of cargo and drive 50 billion kilometers a year. Impressive numbers, right? Well, with 250 billion euro, the logistics sector is the third biggest market in Germany. Now, I'd like you to meet Andy, who's one of our very first customers and the CEO of a medium-sized LSP, Logistic Service Provider. He is one out of 80,000 LSP in Germany which deliver cargo from one point to another. He is located in Brandenburg and he has about 80 vehicles. Now, as it is the case for most LSP today, Andy's dispatchers have to do the tour scheduling manually, using Excel sheets and a map software. And this is a very stressful job. They have to consider legal laws, order requirements for vehicle and driver, time window, and the location. And if that's not enough, the tour plan created during the weekend is already outdated by Monday. Rapidly arising events like traffic jams, delays, failure of vehicles, sickness of drivers, new orders require constant rescheduling. And the dispatchers have to react under time pressure, which often leads to mistakes, more time loss, and as a result, Andy suffers from low yields, as most logistic companies do. But that's not even all, because many trucks of Andy have to drive empty from one point to the other. So let me give you an example. Andy has an order in his tour planning, let's say from Munich to Hamburg, but his trucks are located in Brandenburg, and he has no order with Munich as the destination. So to execute this order, his truck has to drive empty to Munich, which means he has to pay the 500 kilometer drive to Munich by himself. And one empty kilometer costs 80 cents. For 1,000 trucks, for 100,000 trucks, this adds up to millions yearly. To reduce costs, Andy has a great network of cooperation partners. So his dispatchers could call a partnering subcontractor and check if he can take the order. But these exchanges are usually hard to find and execute, resulting in hours of phone calls. In fact, since Andy's dispatchers are constantly under stress, there's not a snowball's chance in hell that they can make use of the partnering network in an efficient way. Media breaks, lack of important information, and most of all, a missing automation causes logistic companies to lose a lot of money instead of gaining it. In a perfect world, they are creating, evaluation, and constant rescheduling of the current tour schedule is automated. The possibility for Andy to connect with his cooperation partners is now integrated into the tour planning software. And by doing so, processes for finding bad orders, detecting free capacities, simulating and executing the exchange could be automated. And now, Andy is operating in the most profitable way possible by making use of the great potential that lies in a great network of partners. The problem is, for Andy, there's no suitable automation software as he is a medium-sized LSP, and there's in general no software which automates these exchange processes. Until now. Because of the Flutaro system for automated tour scheduling and networking, we make Andy's perfect world possible. Since Andy wasn't using any special software, he's now using our software as a service planning software. It enables him to use our modules for automation and for networking. Andy's cooperation partners, they may use already a special software, so they can integrate our modules into their tour scheduling software. This way, Andy can now work efficiently together with all companies using all kinds of different software. Our vision is to make a great contribution in case of digitalizing a traditional branch. We want to enable companies like Andy's all over the world to operate in a highly profitable way. Most of our members studied IT business, which basically means we love to analyze processes, so we can find breaks and errors and then fix them with software. The rest of our team specialized in computer science, higher algorithmic and mechanical learning. The combination of our scientific backgrounds, our work experience in our fields, and our drive to create something amazing makes us the perfect team for the task. To accelerate our business, the growth of our business, we are looking for a business angel. And Jochen, ich bin ein Berliner, but I promise that we cooperate in harmony with someone from Baden-Württemberg, a Schwab. And of course, I also promise we cooperate with someone from the USA, China, within the EU, or England. Thank you very much. Have a great night. Thank you.